السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. محمد. محمد عدل اسمك لو سمحت، عدل الاسم، حط اسمك كامل. في أكثر من محمد في الفصل. محمد شاكر، اكتب محمد شاكر. طيب دقيقة ونبدأ الحصة إن شاء الله لين ينضموا زملائكم. 1 minute until we start the class. Hello and welcome. Welcome, Yusuf. Okay, so today we will start, inshallah, a new lesson. So last time we have finished the first lesson in Unit 5, 5.1. Today we will start with the second lesson, 5.2, clever calculations. In this lesson, we are going to practice being entrepreneurs. So this word could be new to you guys. Make sure to understand what entrepreneur mean. Okay, no problem, Mohammed. So let's start reading the activities and do them together. Activity 1, have you ever done activities to raise money? What did you do? How was the money spent? So ask yourself this question. What was the most money you have collected? Or what kind of activities have you done to collect money? Did you raise money for charity? Did you maybe raise money to buy a new gadget or whatever other reason? What did you do? And how was the money spent? So this is the first activity. Maybe we will get back into it. Activity 2, read. Ava and Alex sold 95 chocolate brownies at the community fair and made a profit. Read the poster they made for their math class. A, how many brownies did they make in total? Can you calculate their total costs? So first, let's take a look at this math calculation or the poster they made for their math class. Brownies to go. There are several ways can make chocolate treats, but we think this brownie recipe is the best. Plenty of people agreed. We sold 95% of our brownies with 5 left for us. Here's how we did it. Ingredients for 100 chocolate brownies cost. So the cost for 100 is 1,100 grams of butter, or we can say 1,100 kilograms of butter, which costs $5. 1,500 sugar, which costs $1. 300 grams cocoa powder costs $1. 500 gram flour, we can say half a cent, half a dollar, or we can say 50 cents. 50 cents. 400 grams of chocolate chips, $3. Total we have is $13. Paper bags, pack of 100, $2, that's $15 in total, right? And they have sold 95%. So the total cost is $15. They have sold 95, $1 each. Now the profit is 95 minus total cost. Now we can do this on paper, or you can do with a calculator. 95 minus $15, which are the costs. So in total, we have $80. So the total cost, 15. Total cost here, 15. We can see at the bottom of the poster, all profits from the community fair will go to two charities. All the profit, either Polar Bear Rescue 50% or Global Welfare 50%. Both of these charities do amazing work to help our planet. So they have done a really nice job. They bought ingredients. They have made chocolate brownies. They sold $1 each, and they donated the entire profit, all the profit, to charities. Good act and good actions. Yes, entrepreneur is a businessman. Now let's take a look at activity 3. Who wants to read activity 3? Ahmed? Yes, Ahmed. Can you read activity 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell us.
The pastor again. 50% of all money raised will go towards the charity Polar Bear Rescue. Choose the correct answer. 1. What is 50% of Ava and Alex's total profits?
Yes, do you remember how much was the total profit?
Sir, it's $80.
Okay, and 50% of $80 is how much?
40.
So is it A or B?
B.
Okay, good. So make sure to underline B, guys. $40. Can you do number 2 as well?
Yes. How do you write 50% as a fraction? It's A, 1/2.
How do you write 50% as a fraction? A
Yes,
half
it's 1/2.
or yes, A?
Yes, number A.
Yes, okay. Or a fifth. So the correct answer is A. Underline A. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Now let's move to question 4, activity number 4. Who wants to do this one? Ay Haddal, let's see.
Shall I close my mic?
Yes, Ahmed.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you read activity 4?
Ava and Alex want to make 200 brownies for the next school fair. What are the new measurements for each ingredient? Calculate in grams and kilograms. What are the new costs of all the ingredients? What is the total? The children will need 200 paper bags, How much will the bags cost now? They managed to sell all 200 brownies for $1 each. How much profit do they make?
Okay, can you do A only?
Okay. What ingredients are the measurements for each ingredient? Calculate in grams and kilograms.
Yes.
Okay.
What are the new measurements for each? If they want to make 200 brownies, how much butter do they need?
They have to. They have to.
How much butter do they need? In
I think
grams. Yes, or kilograms.
two.
2.2 kilograms, right?
Yeah.
2.2 because
2.2.
200 brownies is double. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Haddal. Let's do B. What are the new costs of all the ingredients? What is the total? Ayham, what's the new total for the cost?
$30.
Okay, what's the previous?
The previous total cost is $15.
Good, thank you. Now, let's take a look at C. The children will need 200 paper bags. How much will the bag cost now? Who wants to do this one, Omar? How much was the previous bags cost?
Bag it was 100 bag equal $2. So
Yes,
the
and now?
200 will be $4.
Great, thank you very much. Yes, good answer. Now, who wants to do the last one? D. They managed to sell all 200 brownies for $1 each. How much profit do they make? Okay, anyone guys شاركوا معنا. اللي ما رفع يده يا شباب شاركوا معنا. مزمل افتح المايك.
You start.
Answer D. Read D and answer.
They managed to sell all 200 brownies for $1 each. How much profit do they make? $200.
The answer? Okay, $200. Thank you very much, Muzammil. Focus with us next time. Now we can move to the next activity. Activity 5. Before going to the activity, we have a use of English now, quantifiers. Maybe you guys already know a lot of quantifiers. We have new ones here, like several, plenty of, either, or both of. So we use these words to describe amounts of things. If I say both, then two things, right? If I say either, then one of the things, or one of the two things. If I say plenty, it's an amount. Several is an amount. How can we differ? Plenty could be for non-countable nouns, while several for countable nouns. The activity number 5, read the use of English box that we just did and find example of quantifiers in the post. Then choose the correct words to complete the explanation below. Plenty of means lots of smaller amount. Several means lots of smaller amount. Okay. Okay, who wants to answer the first one? Plenty means what? Lots or a smaller amount? Ayham?
Yes, sir.
Ahmed? Yes. Do the first
Yes, sir.
one. Plenty means what? Lots of or a smaller amount?
Lots of.
Plenty is lots. Okay, what about several?
Several.
Several means
Several.
what?
Sir, it's also. Let's. Sir, it also means lots of.
Are you sure?
Okay, a
Okay.
smaller amount.
Okay. Now, one, several is lots of, line 1. Plenty of, line 2. So plenty Okay, so we will go back to activity number 5. Maybe there is an issue in the question. As for activity 6, presented, work in a small group, create an activity to raise money for charity. At a community event, follow the instructions below. Decide which charity you want to raise money for. So the first poster here about the brownies, they donated to the polar bear rescue and the global welfare charities. Now decide which charity you want to raise money for. Brainstorm ideas for a product to sell. You are going to sell brownies, cookies, drinks maybe. Calculate the costs. If you sell, how much profit will you make? Present your idea on a poster, just the same as the poster we have here about the brownies. You can do this, it's optional. Let's take a look at the next page. The next lesson will be spending plans, how we should spend money, what's the best way to spend money. Now, let's go back to activity number 5. Read the use of English box, this one, and find example of the quantifiers in the poster. So we have this poster, okay? And we can say the first line, we have the word several. The second line is plenty, okay? So the answers, these are the examples we found in the poster. Then choose the correct words to complete the explanation below. So first, let's go back to the first line. There are several ways you can make chocolate treats, but we think This brownie recipe is the best. Plenty of people. So the use of several here means lots of or a smaller amount. So the correct answer, plenty of, means lots of, while several means a smaller amount. Why? I will tell you. So if I say plenty, imagine you holding something in your hand like sugar, like people. There's a big quantity. الفرق يا شباب, plenty means كمية. Several means عدد أو محدود عدد. تمام. كمية وعدد. Of course, the quantity will be more than the several. Now, that's it for today's lesson. Let's move to workbook, so we can take a look at the homework. Then we can finish the class. Good. So last time we have taken page 55 as homework. Today, the homework will be page 56 and 57. That's it for today, guys. If you have any question, raise your hand, and the rest you guys can leave if you want. If you have a question, raise your hand.